Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert the microSD card at the Redmi Note 11 Pro and 11 Pro 5G. Please note that this video is only for the Note 11 Pro version. So if you're having the Note 11 or the Note 11s, this video will not show you how you can do that. So just follow carefully now if you're having the Pro version, and we will need next to the phone now the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box here. So just remove the white box here like this. There's a little white box included. And if you open this little white box like this, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. If you have put it back as you have inserted the SIM card. Okay. If you don't have it anymore, then you could use, of course, also the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, on the top of the SIM tray you will have the SIM card. And on the other side, you're able to insert the microSD card. By the way, you can also insert a second SIM card if you want, but then you have to decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card. So in case if you're having a second SIM card right now here, you have to remove it because we will need the full space for the SD card. Okay, now just take your SD card and place it like this. Insert it well until you hear the click. And this is how it should look like then. So the contacts are on the top. Okay, let's insert now the SIM tray again into the phone. The SIM card is on the side of the display. So close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, like to transfer data from the internal storage to the microSD card and so on. If you want, you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.